Okay, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to you guys. Okay, my name is Khairul Azmi and you can see here I'm the owner of this game which is iCalibri, and this my what is called yeah, this my ID 11506368, and this is my current character right now. And you can see I already got the emblem, so I want to submit to the MiHoYo the tutorial on how to use Flame Sakitama. Okay, let's move on to using them. How to use Flame Sakitama? It's actually pretty easy. It's just that the combo is a little bit different. Okay, let us try. Okay, for Flame Sakitama, just like his name, Flame. So it means that it is based on the fire, and his strongest weapon is of course by using a flame stack. As you can see here, it falls more on the fire skill, fire damage, and then final slash with fire damage, everything is about fire damage. And it is the best weapon for AI. And for the schema, yeah, of course, everything is to enhance the fire damage. Okay, Noah, okay, with 1% for every combo, stack up to 102 times. So when it goes 102 combo, it will have 100%, 2 times the fire damage. Okay, for now, let's move on using this character. For Flame Sakirama is actually a very interesting one, very interesting criteria that we can use. So I'm actually pretty hyped waiting for this character. Okay, wait. Okay. Just like I said, that has 2 follow-up skills. First one is case by pausing for a short time after her 4th basic attack, and then start glowing and attack button again to unleash a follow-up attack. Second follow-up skill is by tapping and holding the attack button after her 3rd basic attack. Once the character's avatar starts glowing, tap the attack button again to unleash a follow-up attack. So holding the attack button after her 3rd basic. Okay. Okay, for the first one, you can see here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, like that. And then that's for the first one. Okay, let's see again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, at the 5 one. You see, let me glowing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. During the 5th attack, use the combo. Okay. Now for the second follow-up attack. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then 1, 2, 3. Okay, now that's for the first one. Okay, for the second one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is how to use the Flame Sakitama. That's all. Okay. So for the follow-up skill, usually twice of, or maybe 2 times or 3 times higher rather than using the basic combo. Alright then. Next up is on how to finish the energy of the wing. As you can see here, I already won it once, but I used the combat tactic which is just one wing. So for this stage, there's actually several things that you need to be conscious of. in this case you cannot pause. So you just run. You keep your distance as far as possible, and then dodge. And make sure to always control your screen so that you can see the attack. Just dodge. You need to make sure the camera always see you only. You need to careful for the tornado because this at this stage one hit kill. That one is the most dangerous part. You need to dodge. Dodge. You just need to maintain your distance, and then you can win this. The Russian Shuriken is the most dangerous one because you cannot hear anything. And for either of her projectile, it's easy to dodge. It's just the same pattern. And then the tornado one. Oh, that's very. Oh god. And then, okay. Yes. Ah, I'm dead. But as you guys can see, it's how the trick on winning this stage. I just managed half of the time. So, uh, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that it will help you guys. Okay, thank you.